suggest or doing a first impressions of the makeups that I bought recently. And to keep in mind, these are not just bought for the one trip, but these are bought on online or outside the store, and it's not just like one trip for that store. And I bought this like I think last month. So without any further ado, let's go started. So guys, I just prepped my face with this toner, and this is gonna be a Radiant Beauty, and I got this in Ipsy bag from the month of May, and I haven't had time to do a review, but I didn't have time to do a review then. So what I did is I did test it out like about 2 weeks from now, I think, or almost 3 weeks. And it is the Radiance Toner, Glycolic Acid and Rubious, I don't know what you call that, but it says in the back, this alcohol-free exfoliating toner helps to tone, tighten, and brighten for a soft, smooth, and luminous appearance. At first, I don't like the smell because of it smells like medicine for me, or a different kind of smell for a toner. But lately, I've been seeing a different from this Derma Essential toner as soon as I use it for a long time, and I can tell that my face like getting smoother and all that luminous that you guys can see on my previous videos. That I think I did use this one on my summer look kind of video, and that's it for you guys. And then yes, by the way, and I use this moisturizer too, so still the same, I don't even change my moisturizer. So first of all, we're going to use this one. This is the BB Cream Fresh in 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Perfector. This is the from Maybelline. I did use the one that is I think it's blue one, but that one is too dark for me, so I decided to try this one instead. And it's because it's almost summer, so that's why I want to try some other BB creams out there. That's how it looks like, guys. And I'm just going to apply this one with a sponge. Then now we're going to apply some what do you call this, concealer, and this is a new one for me. I used to use the medium 30, and I bought this one medium 24. So guys, this is the medium 30. So, and then this is a medium 24. And as you guys can see, the medium 30 is a little bit darker than the 24. And then I'm going to swatch them so that you guys can see the difference between these two. This is the medium 30. This is the medium 30. And then the medium 24 is much more lighter than the medium 30. So there you go, guys. This is the medium 30 and then medium 24, as you guys can see. So moving on, we're going to use the medium 24 in our under eye and to highlight some our some spot. To use some powder from Wet n Wild pressed powder for the photo focus. So next one, it's going to be our eyes. And I'm going to use this EXO from ColourPop. This is a super shock shadow, and EXO is actually a ultra glitter, but I'm just gonna go put it on my lids. And then we're going to use these AOA Studio brush. It's in the E130, and we're just gonna go blend. Next, we're going to use this eyeliner from L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail. This is a mechanical eyeliner in the shade of brown 531, and this is how it looks like, guys. Next, we're going to curl our eyelashes. Next, we're going to use these CoverGirl, the Super Sizer Fibers Mascara in the shade of brown. And let's go open it. Next, we're going to use some of the bronzer. Next, we're going to use a blush. Next, we're going to use our highlighter. This is from the Winky Locks. Next, it's going to be the lipsticks. And we have 5 of them here. These are the what do you call this? Luxe lipstick by ColourPop. These ones are matte ones, and they're just new from last month. And I bought 5 of them. I have the High Striker, the Little League Check Please, the Max Out, the Mind Trick, and today I wanted to use the Max Out before that I'm going to swatch them in my hand so that you guys can see them. And this is the Mind Trick. You guys can see it. Eye Striker, I used this one on my previous videos. Check Please. It's like an orange one color. Max Out. And last one is the Little League. There you go, those are the 5 ones. And we're going to use one of them. I'm going to use the Max Out.